Okay, so welcome. Here's the Earth. And here's an example of how to make the system of Planet 9. See? So I just put these here. Right, the developments. Let's restart that game. Okay, now we don't need anything. I just destroyed it. And now I'm just gonna scroll up a little bit. So I'm just gonna select a gas giant. Because we've got a very random name at the moment. Okay, I've got it. I've really got it. Now let's just not to do that. Let's just call it Planet 9. So 9, yeah. But please do not add a ring because it doesn't have a ring yet. So I'm just gonna lock it and make the right properties for planet. Now let's just zoom out a little bit. I'm just gonna select a moon and I need to put it far out enough. I'm gonna change it from that color. Actually, it's meant to look like this. And then we're gonna make it orbit the object in this sort of way. I can make perfect orbits on this game, actually. See that? It won't get pulled in. And now I'm gonna call it Planet C. So now we need to adjust the properties because actually for the second one to just okay, it's way too close orbiting, so I'm gonna get thrown off course later. Okay, no more debris. I mean, there is still some debris. That is way too near out. There we go. It only needs to open that far. And now, adjust the properties here on a smaller moon. I'm just going to change its color to red. Okay, there's red. That's the red I want. And now it's an unlocked moon again. Oh no, maybe not a moon. Actually, I think planet. I'm just gonna select this color planet. Make it that small. Maybe this big. Okay, so let's just pause my time for a little bit. It's locked. Unlocked. Okay. Now, I hope it won't get... Hopefully. I didn't mean hopefully because the moon's getting ripped again. I don't know why. Maybe I should like lock a planet really far out and call it Planet 10. So Planet. No, not planet. 10. Select, lock the planet there. Okay. I don't know what's up with Planet C, but anyway, I'm not done with the system. I need to throw tons of these at the planet, like I'm saying. Okay, that is way more better. That's great. See that? Now, I guess, I'm not sure why Planet C is doing something. Whoa, actually, I forgot to put time on. Now, let's put their orbit trails on. So settings, gameplay, heats off. Okay, heats off because I don't want my planet to freeze straight away. I would hate that. Trails on, set. Now see, Planet C is making a trail. I mean, is Planet C meant to do a trail like that? Planet 10. What's up with Planet 10 and Planet 9? Planet 10. Oh yeah, Planet 10 rise. So cool. Cool, isn't it? Let me just show Planet 9. Scar. So it's nighttime here. That's a very slow rotation, huh? make it a bit faster. Now it's daytime. Look. Now, sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset. There is barely any sunrise on this planet because the sun's really far out. And now, my last thing is that boat. I'm not really sure about that. And now, I guess that was quite funny, wasn't it? No, locust. No. Okay, now I'm gonna. What have I done? What have I done? Move. No. No. Please. No. Like that. Okay. Now I'm just scrolling down. Earth. Lock. Locker. Now that's the end. No. Oh, what the hell? Okay, now that is. Now I'm just gonna. Oh, it developed life again. I'm not really sure about that. Oh. Where did Planet 9 go? Here it is. Okay, and this is how to make the Planet 9 system, which that is cool, isn't it? See, Planet C orbiting the objects. Now, that is the very end.